Hey guys, I'm Lucy and I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Pixlr Editor. So I'm just going to show you some of the more important tools on this Photoshop program, and as you can see I will be doing it on this adorable cat. So the first tool we have is the toolbar on crop tool. So you can get any rectangle you want of anything. So you just have that, then you press enter, and there you go. I did cut off some of the ear, but that is okay. This tool, you can just take a square or rectangle, and then either delete it, Control Z is undo. You can copy and paste it somewhere else. And that's pretty much all you can do with that. This is the lasso tool. What you can do is you can just slowly go over part of what you want for a precise cut, but the problem with that is it's hard to get it super straight, because if you see, if I do that, I cut off some of the ear. So if you have something all one color, you could use this. This is the magic wand, and it only gets stuff of the same color. So I don't find it that helpful unless everything's the same color, then it's really useful. So these tools down here, these are for drawing. I'm going to show the eraser first, so I can just erase anything I want, and I can do it fashionably with cool stamps. And then let me just redo that. This is the pencil. There are different sizes and different styles. Trail is one of my favorites because whenever you turn, the faster you turn, the cooler the effect is, which I like a lot. And the other ones you can try at home. The paintbrush, this is a lot like the eraser right here. So you can just take anything, any kind of stampish thing or brush, and you could just like go across like that, or kind of like do a different color like pink here, and then you can just stamp it on to give it a little flower, and then maybe you'd want to give it a middle to make it very fashionable for this cat. And there we go, we got a flower for the kitty. So these three tools right here, this is the blur tool. So it's not going to show up very well in this background, so sorry about that. But if you look really closely, you can tell that the eyes just got really blurred out and it's just not as focused. But if I go back, then I will show you this tool right here. This is called the sharpness tool, so if I get a bigger brush, you can tell that it just kind of makes the pixels like separated from each other, so it gives it kind of a sharper look. So if I just undo all that, and this right here I really like. This is called the sponge tool, so I'm going to again use one of these, and then it kind of just brings out the bright color. So as you can see, it's orange for the carpet and the cat, and if I just go over it, you can tell it kind of looks like a Cheeto. So let's make him go back to his cute self. And so these two tools right here are the pinch and bloat tool. The pinch tool, wherever I press, everything inside that circle will go to that. So I can make him kind of look like a bunny. Or I could make the brush smaller and then just make his eyes smaller, and then his bow tie smaller, but that's pretty much all you can do with that. The bloat tool is the exact opposite. You can make anything inside the circle become bigger. So if I just change the brush size, I could make his eyes bigger and cuter. So I will keep that there, and then I could do anything else I'd like. This here is the color tester tool, so whatever you do, whatever you press on, the color ends up right there. And one more thing I'd like to show you is the filters. You can do many filters, like Pixlr makes it kind of look like a cartoon. And the water swirl kind of makes it all look like it's in water, which I think is cool. The last one I'm going to show you is one of my favorites, Kaleidoscope. Oops, wrong one. Kaleidoscope. It makes the cat just, the picture go around in circles, and it just goes on, which I think is pretty cool. So that's all I have to show you for Pixlr Editor. You can try out all the different tools at home, and just try this out and have fun with it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you try this out at home. Thanks, bye.